scan that and you find out what you need. Big black hose. They'll like it. I can't even see. Welcome to a national recreational trail. We are here, parked over there, $2 an hour. So the cliff walk is 7 miles out and back, Newport, Rhode Island. Considered moderately challenging, takes a couple hours. We paid for parking. Very popular for birding, running and walking. We're walking. We'll encounter other people, as we already have. And then, oh, there's some birding. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Stay on the path, although they have all these really tempting little areas to go off the path. So, open year round, beautiful. Dogs are welcome. Must be on a leash, and you can't ride your bike. Oh, here comes a runner, see? All trails doesn't lie. At the end, there's a place called the Waves or the something, and I guess there's supposed to be water crashing up, so I hope that happens tonight. I hope we're at the right time for that. Obviously it's based on tide, I'm sure. Names on them. I think it was 40 steps, wasn't it? Maybe it was. Guess we should have counted. We started at the beginning where the beach was. You can start here at the 40 steps if you want a shorter walk.
Now, actually a lot of woods and very little water, so this would actually be a better start.
Right now there's a detour, so you gotta walk up a block and then over, so.
And I think the price is the same no matter where you park. It's $2 an hour and like a 3-hour limit. So you could always go down to the very bottom and park and walk up this way and back.
So many options. Also, important there were bathrooms at the 40 steps, so if you get out on the trail and you're like, I gotta go, 40 steps has some porta pots. Oh yeah. What's that? Macaulay Hall. Over here.
So in 1937, it was donated to the Roman Catholic Society and was then given to the Sisters of Mercy in 1947 for $1.
$1.
60,000 square feet.
And this view. marker number 8. So you can just scan those little codes and get the information you need. See? Tells you all about it. This house was built in 1879. Are we hiking or are we walking? Just walking, hiking. We get to go on some rocks now. The path has ended. Back in the day, the boats docked here. Did they come in? I don't know. No historical markers. This is what I've been looking for. Rocks on the water. Phew. Big black hose. Don't like it. It's a ginormous black tank. Ooh. You got the history.
There.
There you go.
Beechwood.
So you just scan these little guys all around. You get the history of the mansion you're walking by. Good stories. So you can pay for a tour. You can do that too, but if you just want to walk 3.5 miles, you can scan the barcodes.
This was built in 1852, but it burnt down in 1856.
Oh man. Alright, look at that one. That is, can't wait to hear the story on that. It doesn't look anything like all the others.
Yeah, that definitely does not fit.
It does not fit with these mansions. One of these things does not belong. Super cool though. Look at the little thing up there. Do tell about this. Is this one?
I can't. It's not pulling up.
Oh.
It must be in a bad spot here.
Probably because we're going to go in our first tunnel. What is happening? It's got like, look at that flagpole thing it's got. Don't be scared. Oh my gosh, got a light on. Can't even see. Wow.
Chinese tea house.
Chinese tea house. I guess all the Vanderbilts could come for Chinese tea and not go across the water. Wow. One tunnel right under the Chinese tea house. Then we have another one over there. Which one is yours? Okay. Party at your house. Nice. It's a little sunset cocktail. We're finishing off what we started yesterday.
Private Spouting Rock Beach Association, which is right over.
Oh, so not just anybody can come here. So there's 16 stops. Yesterday we did 13 because we ran out of time, so now we're back to do the last few from the other end. Cold as it gets. Private residence there? Chain back again. Let us in. Alright. The cliff walk continues. Lots of fishermen. Mostly a free activity unless you pay for parking.
And you can ride the trolley free.
Oh yeah, the trolley is free. Once you park somewhere, you can jump on the trolley. I think it said May through October. Walk and look at all these mansions. Which some are museums now, but some are still, I think, residents. Private property. You can look, but you can't go in. Well, this might be the waves and they're just not happening. Yeah. That's the cliff walk in Newport, Rhode Island.
So we just finished the last couple stops we missed yesterday, 15 and 16. The waves is a great place to see water splashing up on the rocks.
We think.
We didn't hit it during high tide, but based off of what it looks like, high tide would be a good time to watch all the water crashing on the waves. Pretty cool. Save yourself some time to hit one or two museums too, because this place is packed full of museums.
Right.
And most of them are right along the water, so really cool.
Yeah.
Really cool views.
All right, until next time, y'all. Seatbelts on?
Hey, seatbelts on.
Hey, and when we were coming down here to do the second part, there's a tennis Hall of Fame and an automobile museum, like right downtown. So, Historical Mansion Museum, if you don't want to go in one of those, there's the Tennis Hall of Fame and the Automobile Museum. So, lots to do.